Hello friends, welcome to Mini Life. Today we learn about action words. So let's start video. Dance. Dance mean नाचना. Jump. Jump mean उछलना. Play. Play mean खेलना. Clap. Clap mean ताली बजाना. Jump, clap, play, dance. Sleep. Sleep means sona. Eat. Eat means खाना. Read. Read means पढ़ना. Chew. Chew means चबाना. Eat, sleep, chew and read. Sing. Sing mean गाना. Laugh. Laugh mean हंसना. Listen. Listen mean सुनना. Talk. Talk mean बात करना. Laugh, talk, listen and sing. Hug. Hug mean गले लगाना. Bath. Bath mean नहाना. Up. Up mean ऊपर. Up. Down. Down mean नीचे. Down. Up, down, hug and bath. Drink. Drink mean पीना. Lick. Lick mean जुबान लगाना. Look. Look mean देखना. Watch. Watch mean देखना. Drive. Drive mean गाड़ी चलाना. Watch, drive, look and drink. Hear. Hear means सुनना. Cook. Cook mean पकाना. Open. Open mean खोलना. Close. Close mean बंद करना. Comb. Comb mean बालों में कंघी करना. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.